Hello there, this is Kinley again from Singapore. And today is the day 5 of the Power BI series on uh, AdventureWorks 2022 database. Okay, last week, let's get to my desktop screen. Let me. Last week I stopped here. No, we have stopped here in customer info. So we have done this customer ID, person ID, territory ID, full name, country region code, sales year to date, and sales last year. Um, I, After looking at it, after review, I've decided that I'll need to put two more information here. So I'll need to also change the SQL um, statement that we did. This is let me go to the yes. I need to use this the newer one. That's because I've included the country region table. Then I also wanted to uh, let me okay because the sales territory sales here has the cost no sales year to date and sales last year. So I don't think I need this modified date, but I'll want to include this uh, in the event that there's some reference to this date, maybe. Okay, so the thing that I'll do now is to include this field and to include this name here, which will result in this which I've done this I think yesterday. So we'll have a modified date. Same, we have the sales last year, sales year to date. Then we have the country instead of the code. So we have Australia, we have United States, well, any other else, anything else? Canada. I think there's only four. Okay, so we want to do that. Okay, and then we will do the product. Product will be different from the customer this time around because we'll not write SQL statement. We'll just directly pull in the um, query or the tables. Then from that tables, we will create the columns and rows and records. Then we will also do some data cleaning from there. Okay, let's get started. Okay, we will. This is what we have done last week, and we stopped here. Okay, now let's go back to the SQL. This is the one. Okay, so we'll need to include the modified date. We'll also include the let me see um, our name here. So the region, country region. So the our name here is actually the country name. Okay, so we from the last SQL that we use, we will add also the uh, country region code here, country region code with the alias R. So and the relationship where the territory country region code equals to a country region code. Then by this order. Okay, so also there's it's a good practice to use the word use and the database name. So because now is pointing at the master. So but my database is actually referenced from the AdventureWorks 2022. So always is a good practice to have this in your first line of SQL code. So the database points it points to the right database. So I'm using AdventureWorks 2022. So use AdventureWorks 2022 and let us run this. Execute. Okay. So we're going to do this now. So I'll just copy, Control C. Okay, then from here I'm going to new source. Um, let's see, SQL Server. Okay, server. My server name is Asia Story / SQL Express. Okay, that's my server name. Let me check. Okay, correct. And my database Adventures DVN AdventureWorks 2022. So I'll import. Then there's a advanced option. Then I'll just put in the query. Okay. I no need to use because I define the database here. So include relationship columns. Okay. Okay. So we'll just hit OK. It's loading. Yes. Okay. So on the brief look here, uh, it looks okay. So see, we don't want this, but we want this instead. Okay. So same thing later. We're going to merge this. Let's just click on OK. Okay. So we have the all these are looking good. 0% error, 0% empty. This is title, or this normal. So first name is always there's a value. Middle name there's 44% there's a empty. It is empty. So last name is perfect. So far so good. Um, so last name is 100% valid. Country code 100% valid. Name is 100% valid. So as you can see, is correctly correspondence to. So AU is Australia, US is United States, and etc. So Australia, Canada, CA. So we are going to remove this and we're going to use this instead. So there's a six distinct. So only have six distinct values. Uh, Australia is one, United States, Canada is one. There's three. Let's see. Okay, I think I'll just leave it. But there's a six distinct value. Let's see. Okay, we have France, Australia, Canada, France, Germany, United Kingdom, and United States. Okay, so we'll have the sales year to date, correct? We'll change to currency, fixed decimal later, and modified date is what I wanted. Okay, I have what I wanted, so that's correct. Okay, let's beautify this. So person ID is whole number, correct? Customer ID is whole number. Territory ID is whole number. Okay, I don't need the person type because everything is IN. So I'll remove this. I'll keep the title, first name. I remove this, the country code, region code. Okay, okay. Then remove columns. Okay. So let's do the easier one first. Okay, I'll just make this nicer. This is state column. That's correct. Okay, sales last year. Sales year to date. Okay, this one is country. Okay, this one is I'm going to merge these four columns. So select this, and this. So I'm gonna merge them. Right click. Um, where's it? Merge columns here. Okay. So okay. So space separator will be a space, and new column name same. I'll just full name, or maybe I can just put customer. Okay, just put full name. Maybe I'll just put customer. Okay, bingo. Okay, so I'll just country. Now we have customer with the title. Where's the title? Did I miss out? Just let me see. Okay, I'll just remove these which columns. So I'll get back to original. So there's a null value. Is there any records here? There's a Mr. and Miss. So there's no other. Okay, let's list Mr. Oh, that's Mr. So this is customer ID 11377. Okay, let's do this. 11377. No, I don't want no. Okay. Okay, so we'll do this. We'll do again the merge. 11377. Okay, and last name. Then we'll do merge. Merge column. Space. Oh, okay, and let's this put customer. Okay, okay. Okay, so that's good. Let's go to 11377. Okay, so Mr. Okay, so the title is here. So that's good. So from Germany, sales year to date. Okay, let's go back. Select all. Okay. Okay, so now we have completed the customer table. Okay, so I'll change this query to just customer. Okay, now we have done. Let me double check with detail. Oh, okay, looks alright. Okay, looks alright. So I'll remove this. I'll remove customer info and customer detail because we don't require this anymore. Just delete. Okay. Yes, delete. Okay, now we have done. Now we will be going to do the product table. Let me shift this out. Okay, we will be coming up. We'll be doing until we can get to these results for the product. Okay. Okay, I'll just rename this product demo. Okay, so in order to do this, we will go back to my query. Okay, so this time around, there are 4 tables that we'll be very interested in to bring it to Power Query Editor. Product table, product subcategory table, product category, and product model. And we can do it in basically two basic ways. One way is to write the SQL again for these 4 tables, or we can individually pull this query or table into the Power Query Editor, which we will be pulling these tables into the Power Query Editor. That's another way today that I'm going to show you. Okay, let's do it now. So product table, product subcategory, product model, and product category. Okay, let me try one thing. New source, SQL Server. Okay, again I'm going to key in Azure Story, STORY / SQL Express. That's my server name. Optional. I'm going to select it. Next. Okay, so select AdventureWorks. So I'm going to try this first because my usual training and practice is select all the tables, but it may be the case that I just only need to select one. Let's try. If not, then we'll select all the tables. So product. Okay. So I bet they have a reference for category and subcategory. I hope. Let's do that. Let's try. So production, product, let me check. Yes, so they reference with a product model. Let me see, production subcategory. Okay. So we'll we'll just only trying to do just one table, and we'll see. So there's a product ID, product name, product number. I don't require. Uh, Make flag is whether it is I believe is whether it's purchased from or manufactured by them. So I want this to check. And finished goods, I only want true. Let me check finished goods. I think I only want one truth. Yes, so I only want only the true. the ones. Okay. Okay. Product. I'll just remove this first to clear up some small space. Remove. Okay. So make flag. I want both. I want this to be only true. Okay. I don't need color. I don't need stock. I don't need reorder. I need standard cost. I need list price. I don't need the size. I don't need the measure code. The unit measure code. I don't need the weight. I don't need years to manufacture. I don't think I need the product line. Maybe I'll keep this. I'll keep what's the style? Okay, I don't think I need this. Okay, I don't need the style. I don't need the class. I don't need the product line. I need a subcategory. Wait. Okay. Let me try to remove this first. Remove columns. Okay. This to I don't need the weight. I don't need this manufacturer. I don't need weight measure code. I don't need this. Oh, shucks. Okay. Wait. Okay. I'll just remove columns. Okay. Let me try to. I don't need a size. Remove. Okay. I don't need a reorder point. Remove. Okay. I don't need this. I don't need this. Remove. I will remove this column later. Okay, we need the product model ID, which I'll remove this, but for now, just in case, I'll don't do that. Don't do this first, but I will remove this soon. Okay, product subcategory. I'll put here. Okay, this continue date. I don't need this. I only need those products that have sales. So I don't need row GUID. I don't need this. I don't need bill of material 1, bill of material 2. Okay, remove. Okay, remove columns. Okay, that's good. So I don't need this, I don't need this, I don't need this. I need the product model. Remove columns. Okay, so there's a relationship with this product model. So I believe that's why you can see uh, the alias production and the product model here. And then you can expand this and you can see the various columns inside here. So this is very convenient, which I like this very much. So okay, I don't need this, but I need subcategory. Remove columns. Okay. I don't need this. I don't need this. I don't need this. Case. Hey. Okay. Vendor. I don't need. Purchase order. I don't need. Of course. Okay, so we don't need this sales column remove. Um, Sales offer product, special offer product. Okay, we don't need this. We don't need this. We spell strike. We don't need this. Don't need this product. We need a subcategory. Remove columns. And do we need this? Where's the sales special offer product? Um, where's the model? Okay, product model is here. Okay, so let me have a look at my diagram. Special offer products. Okay, we'll not need that for now. Okay, just remove this. Okay, we have the subcategory here. We have the model here. So let's do the subcategory. Let's do the model first. Okay, so we unchecked every column. We need the model name. Um, Production. Okay, that's all we need. So this is the model name. Um, okay, I need to know this is from which query. So I'll just use original column names as prefix, so I know which this data reference to where. Okay, so this is a model name. Okay, so let me change this model. Okay, and this is the sub. No, let me bring out the value. So I need the uncheck all this. I'll need the subcategory name. That's all I need. So this is the subcategory. Okay. So this is subcategory name. So I'll just change this. Subcategory. I'll just have this as subcategory. Oh, I'm sorry. I need the. Let me redo this. Cancel this. Cancel this. I made some mistakes. Okay, and let me continue. So I need the product category uh, ID. Gosh. Oh, there's no product category here. Okay, I think I know why. Okay, so I need the product category ID. I need the subcategory name. Let's see. Oh, I need this production product category. Yes. Uh, Product subcategory ID. I don't need use original. Okay. So this one is category ID, which I think I'll remove ultimately too. Now comes to think of it, I don't need this, but okay, we'll just see how it goes. So product category ID. Okay, this is correct. Then we'll have This one is the subcategory. This one is the category. So this is the cat ID, subcat, subcategory, and this is the product. This is the category. This is the category table. So we just want the uh, category name, and that's it. So now we have this is the main category. So this is the category. Okay. This is the subcategory. Okay, now comes to think of this, I don't need the category ID anymore. So I'll just remove. Okay, let's see, do I have everything that's here? We have the model, we have the subcategory, we have the finished good, we don't need the subcategory ID also. So this is the subcategory ID we don't need now. We need a name. Let's shift this finish good. Finish good. We don't finish good. Because all are true, so we don't need this remove. And what else? We need the list price. We need the model. We need the make flag. Okay. Let me. We don't need the product model ID. Remove. We need a. Okay, we need a subcategory to be here. And we need the category to be here. Okay, so category and subcategory. That's good. Looking nice. 667. Okay. So 295 distinct, 295 unique. Okay, that's good. That's all these are unique. That's correct. And okay, I need to bring this model to here. Okay, and I need to make the name more meaningful. So name correct, subcategory, category, model. Okay, this is the make flag. Okay, so makes this nice. So this is the standard cost. And this is the list price. This is the start sale date. And this is the sale start date, and this is the sale end date. Both are date format, that's correct. Okay, list price, this is correct also. Fixed decimal number, make flag, boolean. Okay, and model string, whole categories of string, subcategory of string. Okay, 9 unique, 37 distinct, sounds logical. Category is 4 distinct, that correct? product ID. Okay, we are done with the product here. So we're going to rename this query with the query name product. Okay, let me just briefly check. Okay, let me just off all this. Okay, that's good now. So product subcategory category model and the list price standard cost finish goods flag make flag. Okay, I keep this, I remove this because all these are true. Okay, good. Name. Okay, we are done with the product, so I'm just going to remove this. Delete. Delete. Okay, so the next one, in the next video, what we'll need to do is the uh, sales order and the sales order details and all the related information. We're going to put those in here. And let me go back to my main camera. Okay, this is the end of today. In the following, the next video, we'll be moving towards also the same. We'll be doing also the same thing, but just that it is at the core. So we'll be moving towards the sales information, sales order header, sales order details, uh, that kind of stuff. So that's very important because that's the core. That's the vital tables that we will be venturing into. Okay, see you in the next video. Thank you, and bye bye, and see you soon.